Well, we've been doing some work in here. We're almost through and through in this entire place. Got a few items here, but of course, got the engine. She is ready to deploy out of this apartment, and she's gonna here eventually go into the Mustang. I hope to do that in maybe a month and a half, 2 months time. We're gonna get things expedited, put everything together, and basically move it. You know how you groove it. Fun part is, it's kind of like Gibbs' boat. If you watch NCIS, I got to get this out the door, and I got to get this onto a U-Haul and transport it, and I'm gonna put it in that box. So, of course, we figured we'd be driving out of here with her, but you know, life happens. A lot of things and time have happened over this course of days, so I got to do something different with it anyway. But you know, we got the whole farm out here right now. That car is gonna go down and be towed out and to the new facilities, and of course the engine's gonna be in there as well. Just got to get her in there before the car gets in there, and of course we want to keep everything climate controlled and keep the environment nice in that portion of the house. And I'll probably have some options to go over to make sure that stays a reality. Uh, but hey, man, it was a good time here. It's time for her to meet her new home here very soon, and I'm going to get it rolled on out. Bam. So put the engine here in the U-Haul, and I don't like that. It's going to be difficult to get it where it needs to be. The engine's coming out of here, and it's going in the damn car. Ignore the background. I got Meet Kevin back there. We're getting this engine in here. It's going to come in. I moved it out the house into the U-Haul, and I decided, hey, man, this U-Haul, this ain't going to work to carry this because when I get it to the new place. So we're just going to put this beast in here, 5.0. Big bore. I just need to pick it up one more time and then get it set in position, and that'll be a wrap for her. I'm at like maximum, but it looks damn good. And so we get to that point where we move to the new facilities. Look forward to it. So I'm just busy at work getting stuff set up, but this was my favorite part. It's just go up the hall from the living room and just, hey there, hi car. I can just sit in here with it. Got that new engine in there, just sitting in there. I'm gonna have to pull it back out to do some stuff, but it's gonna go right back in. I'm kind of excited. So much space, lots of things. Oh, four door has her little placard. It's a flex all the way. I'm excited. I'm very tired. I'm gonna complete setting up some things, and I got like a few more trips left, but getting some good help. So we're just doing some stuff and getting some things just set up. So I look forward to it.